bleh. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a speed paint, and it's going to be of Mocha, my Discord son, and it's their YouTube channel will be linked in the description whenever whenever I can upload this, and then I can change the description and to link their channel. Please go subscribe to them. They are an amazing creator, and yes, their YouTube channel would be Mocha. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. But yeah, today, since the internet was like out all morning, and since I still can't get on the internet, but if you see this upload, yeah, my internet is working. But yeah, this is basically what the speed edit is, sorry. And I really wanted to do one for Mocha, so I hope you enjoy. Goodbye.